Have a great day, everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Fun with Maths. Here's another problem. 9 to the power of negative 2 to the power of negative 1 whole to the power of negative 3 is equal to what? So here's our solution. For this, equals, let's write the base 9 to the power of negative 2 to the power of negative 1. So let's separate for that. And we use a bracket whole to the power of negative 3. So we simply follow this rule, a to the power of b to the power of c, which is also equal to a to the power of b to the power of c, separated with a parenthesis. Then to continue, equals 9 to the power of, for this negative 2 to the power of negative 1, for the base negative 2, let's separate the negative. So that is negative 1 times positive 2 to the power of negative 1. Then whole to the power of negative 3. Next is, for 2 to the power of negative 1, we have a rule, a to the power of negative b, that is also equal to 1 over a to the power of b. So now we can write it as equals 9 to the power of negative 1, then times, for this, 2 to the power of negative 1, that is 1 over 2. Then whole to the power of negative 3. Next, equals 9 to the power of negative 1 times 1 half, that is negative 1 over 2. Then whole to the power of negative 3. Now for this 9 to the power of negative 1 half, let's apply again this rule. Again, a to the power of negative b equals 1 over a to the power of b. So for this, we can write it as equals 1 over 9 to the power of 1 half, whole to the power of negative 3. The next, for the base 9, we can write it into a power form in terms of 3, and that is 3 squared. So this is now equals 1 over 3 squared whole to the power of 1 half, then whole to the power of negative 3. And then another rule of a power, let's apply. If a to the power of x whole to the power of y, that is also equal to a to the power of x times y. So we simply multiply a power to a power. So this is now equals 1 over 3 to the power of 2 times 1 half, then whole to the power of negative 3. So this is equals 1 over 3 to the power of 2 times 1 half. This is cancelled. We're left with 1. So therefore, 1 over 3 to the power of 1. Then whole to the power of negative 3. Or we can write it without power of 1 here. So simply, 1 over 3 whole to the power of negative 3. Next is, let's apply this another rule of a power. We have a over b whole to the power of x, which is also equal to a to the power of x over b to the power of x. So this is equals 1 to the power of negative 3 over 3 to the power of negative 3. Now, 1 to the power of x is always equal to 1. So for this is now equals 1 to the power of negative 3, that is equal to 1, regardless of the sign of the power, over 3 to the power of negative 3. For this, we have a rule. If 1 over a to the power of negative x, that is also equal to a to the power of x. So for this is equals 3 to the power of 3. And 3 to the power of 3 is equivalent to 27. Therefore, 27 is our answer. Therefore, 9 to the power of negative 2 to the power of negative 1 whole to the power of negative 3 is equal to 27. And that's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Maths.